Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your password on BitMart. You can easily change your password whether you are using the BitMart mobile app or on a BitMart website. So here is how you can do it. First of all, open the BitMart app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the menu button or your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, tap on your email address at the top. This will open up the account tab where you need to scroll a bit down and look for the change password button and tap on it. Now, enter your old password or the current password in the first field. Once done, head over to the new password box and enter a new password you want to update to. While creating a password, make sure to enter the password that meets the criteria displayed below the password box. Finally, after entering a new password that matches the criteria, go to the next field and re-enter the new password once again. Finally, click on Submit. Remember, if you proceed to change your password, you are not allowed to withdraw for the next 24 hours. Once tapping on Submit, you'll need to verify your email, click on Get Code, and wait for the verification code to arrive in your email. Now go open up your email and you'll receive the email from BitMart. Click it open and copy the code inside it. Get back to the BitMart app and paste in the code. Finally, click Confirm. You have now successfully changed your password. Next time, you'll need to sign in with the new password or whenever needed. Click on Relogin, enter your email or phone number and the newly updated password. Finally, click Sign In to log in. And there you have it. That is how you easily change your password on BitMart, whether you are using the app or website. The process is similar. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.